Raffy Drawings.
Hi kids, and welcome to the Raffy Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color baby shark. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's start drawing. I start with the shape of his body. His tail, his fin, now I draw his nose. And finally, I draw his eye. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color, I'm going to use this yellow marker. Oh yes! Yellow is the color of the sun! Very good! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video!